I had been looking to change jobs for quite some time and had disappointments even in cases where I thought some jobs would come through. I'm a law practitioner and I was specifically looking to move from a law firm role to a company role because I was completely closed off to the idea of moving to another law firm. Sometime last year and even this year, recruiters encouraged me to consider moving to another law firm, but I declined. Then a few recruiters reached out to me regarding a senior role at one of the biggest law firms in the country, and I still turned them down. At some point, I started to consider what the previous recruiters had advised, while the focus of the teaching series for that month had to do with divine connections and how to make better decisions. So I considered the option of applying to this big firm, even though a part of me felt that they may not consider me to be good enough for them. I sent in my CV on a Friday. I got called for an interview the following week for a Tuesday and received a proposed offer for my consideration by Wednesday. I could not believe it, especially as I was not sure that I had performed exceptionally at the interview. I was scheduled to have a chat with the managing partner of the firm, after which a formal offer would follow if I impressed him. After the chat, I was unsure of what my fate would be, and at the morning prayers, we were led to pray for an increase of God's grace in our lives, which I did. I also dropped a request for prayer for God's favor concerning the job. I received an email confirming the offer. I just want to thank God for this journey, the success of this interview and the new job. I should also mention that my confession into this new year was that I would leave my current employment within the first quarter of this year, even though it was not clear to me how that will happen. I just want to say, praise the Lord.